Good morning, everybody. Going to be looking at WEED here and establishing a game plan. Personally, I'm going to be way more picky on entries at this point because we have now been told that our top for now is in and we are entering consolidation mode. Going to just be looking at WEED as the sector leader, as APH, ACB, even MJN. Everybody followed WEED at the end of the day dump yesterday. So what I am anticipating is we could absolutely see bullish action out of the gate. And the reason for that is we dumped from 2120 down to 1960 in 10 minutes at the end of the day. So there's a lack of resistance right now. If the bulls show up and we break $20 first thing, we could easily go to 2050 and see a recovery. That being said, the hourly time frame, in my opinion now, at best for the bulls, is going to see an equilibrium pattern where we have our high, low, we'll bounce and set a lower high. So the trading opportunity will be limited in the sense that we should anticipate a lower high to form, and then we'll look for a higher low and a tightening equilibrium pattern. That's best case scenario for the bulls, in my opinion. Worst case scenario is we would be looking at a break of 1961 early on and then down to 1914 as the low of the day. So we had a clear hourly bearish reversal spinning top before that dump. We have the daily time frame with a clear bearish reversal, almost a gravestone doji, almost a shooting star, and certainly not picky about what you want to call it. The point is there's a big upper wick of profit taking and it's a volume climax up here at the high. So if we see a break of 1914, that will indicate that consolidation is underway and we're going to hold off while we pull back into the $18 range. Otherwise, we will likely see a daily inside bar. So if we hold 1914, a daily inside bar is going to form, and we'll be watching that tomorrow for the break. But again, very cautious up here as the temporary top is in my opinion, for now, and it would take significant recovery for the bulls to change that. It would take a bullish break of this equilibrium pattern that I anticipate to form. Again, best case scenario for the bulls, it would take a bullish break of that pattern for me to be interested again. So this is the kind of day where after all those gains, after locking them in, going to be very patient. There is no reason to rush back into this trade. The odds of us seeing a new all-time high today or tomorrow are not likely. Well, I won't say tomorrow. If we close strong, it would be possible, but the odds of seeing it today are not likely. So being very patient, looking around for other trades. I'm trading the cryptocurrency space. I'm watching the blockchain stocks and just patiently waiting, and we will get more information today whether or not we are going to break 1914 and further consolidate. Anything above 1589 is a higher low on the daily. So I don't expect to pull back to 16, but if we did, it would still be an uptrend on the daily. I personally would be setting my targets somewhere in the 18, maybe even the upper $17 range. It all depends on whether 1914 breaks today or not. So have a great morning, and we will see you live.